Can I redirect the stdout into some sort of string buffer? I'm using Python's plib to write a small FTP client, but some of the functions in the package don't return string output, but print to stdout. I want to redirect stdout to an object which I'll be able to read the output from. I know stdout can be redirected into any regular file with, but I prefer a method that doesn't use the local drive. I'm looking for something like the bufferedReader in Java that can be used to wrap a buffer into a stream.
There is a context_lib.redirect_stdout function in Python 3.4+. Here's a code example that shows how to implement it on older Python versions.
Just to add to Ned's answer above, you can use this to redirect output to any object that implements a write_str method. This can be used to good effect to catch stdout output in a GUI application. Here's a silly example in Pyked.
A context manager for Python 3. Use like this.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.